world. Almost like a magic trick. A prank so sneaky, nobody knows it's even happened. This is something we all do every day. But today, I'm gonna make you do it with the power of a yawn.
What's up with the yawning, man? You said 15 minutes you've been coming through here like this, back and forth with this yawning.
I'm trying to get
hand over your mouth.
tired, man. I'm tired.
What's going on,
Go
man?
home and sleep, bro. What are you doing?
I should go and
You
sleep.
should go home and get some rest or something, man. But you
Spreading germs all over the place, man. What's good, man?
All right,
Going someplace else to go take that yawn someplace else.